Hello, I'm John Afflebach, the Marketing Director with Metro Places. I'm here at our Southshore Bay community in Waimama, Florida, and I'm here to give you the April update to our Southshore Bay Lagoon construction progress. We have completed the liner throughout the lagoon, the bottom of the lagoon, so all 5 acres of it, so that is wonderful. The coatings to the concrete on the sea walls as well as the beach areas. We are nearing completion of the site storm and sanitary sewers, and we have completed all the filters, pumps, and piping that is in the machine room that runs all the filtration and cleaning systems of the lagoon. Water has only been added by way of rain right now, but we are expecting to start filling the lagoon by May 1st. The machine room is expected to be active by May 1st as well when we start filling it with water. Next month, the parking lots take shape. We'll be making progress at the very popular swim-up bar at the lagoon, as well as there will be grading of dirt surrounding all the buildings, and you'll start to see some of the hardscape started, which includes sidewalks and walls. We'll be back next month with the next update of the construction progress of the Southshore Bay Lagoon, and we are so excited to be able to bring you this truly world-class, transformative amenity. So we're so excited to bring that to you in mid-summer. So look forward to it.